It is Wednesday the 13th, and I'm wearing the same pants that I had on the other day, and I thought it would kind of go with this top, even though it's a lot of print going on. I thought it was kind of interesting. So this came in the mail yesterday. This is a sweater that reminds me of Charlie Brown. He wore something that looks very similar to this, I thought anyway. So this was only $3.50 on sale at walmart.com. Unfortunately, I think it's sold out now. They had it in gray as well, but I thought the yellow one that looked kind of like Charlie Brown would be fun. So yeah, these are the pants that I had that I bought from Roses originally, and then this new sweater that was a pretty amazing deal, and it feels really nice, soft, and comfortable. So Walmart is having a lot of sweaters on sale right now, and it's still sweater weather here in our house in Virginia because this old house is always so cold anyway, so I definitely need to keep wearing a sweater, although coming up this week it is going to take a turn for like 80 degrees, something like that, so maybe it'll be warm, but then again, I think it's gonna be like 80 for like 5 days, 5 or 6 days, and then it's going to be like 66 again, which is more like what it is today. So yeah, I need to check on my apple pie pretty soon. But yeah, very comfortable and fun outfit. So I decided to make a pie, an apple pie for National Apple Pie Day, and this is my first attempt ever at making apple pie, and also at correctly making the pie crust, because I tried to make that before and I didn't really know how to do it, so I just put flour and water together. And then this time I actually added butter, so we're going to see how this turns out, but so far it looks pretty good, and hopefully it will be very good considering it's my first attempt at the pie after I added the little holes and I added the top crust, and now it's ready to go in the oven. I just pulled the pie out of the oven and it actually looks pretty good. I'm so happy. So excited. So hopefully it will taste as good as it looks. Here's a look at today's outfit of the day. I'm wearing this new skirt from Shein and this sweater that I thrifted, and it's very comfortable with the elastic waistband. I think I'm wearing a size small and it fits very well. I'm also wearing these sandals that I thrifted, and I've been doing a little bit of construction in here so you can see. Spackling the wall, there's some paint chips, spackle, and you can see how horrible this floor looks. So that's going to be the next project that I'm going to tackle very soon here for our whole renovation this summer. So I'm going to show what my pink room is looking like at the moment. Behind me is the bathroom that's off the pink room, and as you can see, that needs painting. That's still in the works. So right now what I'm doing is removing everything out of the pink room into the foyer and the living room, and it's a lot of work because I have so much little stuff, and you're going to see a little bit of that, but I've already removed a ton of stuff as it is. Here's what the pink room looks like from where you enter from the bathroom, which goes through the other room that I usually stay in. Well, I'm going to back it up a little bit, but yeah. So as you come through this door, there's the fireplace here on the right. There are the front windows, and you can probably see in this corner the color difference. The wall on the right is white, and the other wall is like this creamy, I don't know, off-white color. And over here you can see I've been doing a little bit of spackling where there were cracks. There's my little disco ball. There is my chandelier that I bought from Home Depot. And then over here I painted the inside of this little clothing armoire white. Got my paint supplies here. So you can see how absolutely horrible the floor looks. It's like stained, and there was originally carpet in here that we took up. So we've been waiting to paint this for a long time now. Then here we have the fireplace that is rather dirty and sooty. I had to move that rack over there. I mean, not the rack, the shoe case. I call it my shoe case. So I had to move that several times while I painted my sunglass collection. I had to take it off the rack to move it. There's tools in here, there's paint, In this room is the utility room, which I'm not really done with that yet. I want to make this a lot nicer and put in shelving everywhere, maybe decorate it a little bit. But yeah, there's my clothing rack that I have like jammed up in there. I had wanted to put the washer and dryer in a different area of the house, but that area needs repairing, so we had to put it in here for now. So yeah, here's a look at the fireplace. I still need to take off the tape that's up there. I haven't even done that yet. And then there's the door to the bathroom that's not painted yet. And yeah, there is my jewelry collection, stuff everywhere. The mirrors that I bought before we left California, they had these on sale for like $1 at the 99-cent only store, and I thought they were so cute. I could picture putting them around my room, so I went crazy and got like a ton of these mirrors and these kind of tacky curtains. I'm probably not going to change them out right now. I'm going to probably take a while because curtains are just like so expensive, and I don't know. It was just really hard to find exactly what I wanted. But yeah, right now I'm trying to pack everything up. What we're going to do is, yeah, I need to finish painting this wall, remove everything from over here, and paint this wall. And then we're going to paint the floor in 2 sections, so that way I don't have to remove all the furniture that's in here. I'm going to take it and put it all to one side, to like the right side over here, for instance, and then put it all over there and do that side of the floor. So it's going to take twice as long that way, but that's the best way to do it, I think. So you go through here, and here's the French doors, which the French doors are kind of annoying because they take up so much room. Like, it was one door, like right here, I could actually put like a chest of drawers or something. I used to have a bunch of stuff lining in front of the window here, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do now instead is leave them bare. Maybe put a chair, something that I could easily move, because I kind of like to be able to get to the freaking windows. I don't like having to lean or never being able to have this nice natural light come in. And also, this house is so cold all year round. It's like 20 degrees colder, it seems, almost always. We have these old, what do you call them? The old, the spackling that's like cement almost on the walls. But anyway, it makes it a lot colder in here. So I'm thinking of leaving that so I can actually open the door and let the windows and let the warm air in. So yeah, here's this really cool pink cabinet bookcase that I got for like $35 at a thrift store. It holds so much stuff. It's so cool, but it's heavy. And I had a ton of stuff on here. You may remember seeing it in a few of my clothing haul videos and stuff that I stood in front of this and did those. So I'm currently removing everything that's on there. And then there's like a big pile of crap right here. So there's going to be so much work to move this all. And then I have to move it all into the, which, hello, you can kind of see me through there, but yeah, this is the state of the foyer right now, full of stuff. And then you can kind of see into the living room, that's full of stuff. These windows need washing, and they also need the paint scraped off. Haven't finished doing that yet. So yeah, quite a process. Yeah, I have so much jewelry. So much costume jewelry. This case here is full. I'm sure that's going to weigh a ton when I try to remove it. Yeah, I had been debating whether I should paint the brick white because it would really brighten up this room. I did an Instagram poll, and it was, I think everybody said not to paint it. But I think it would be pretty white. I kind of hate to paint it myself, but I also hate how it's dirty looking, like dark, and it's so dark and creepy up in there. I don't know. It just seems spidery to me. Yeah, there's some more tape up there I need to remove. So as you can see, this is a colossal undertaking. If I have any advice for anyone, it is to paint at least one room before you move into a new place and put everything in there, because taking everything back out and painting after you move your stuff in is such a nightmare. So I haven't done an outfit of the day in a while, but I'm wearing, you may recognize this. It is the same hoodie that I have worn in another outfit of the day fairly recently, and it says "A true love story never ends." I just love the color combination of pink white and gray. I think that is so pretty. And this time I wore it with these basic gray leggings and these sneakers that I got on sale from Walmart. So yeah, this is another Roses find, and it is just probably the cutest of that kind of athletic wear that I could find, because that's not usually my style, but yeah, I definitely love this one. I got my little pearl earrings that kind of go with it. We're headed to South Hill to do our Walmart grocery pickup. Did you know, Vaughn, that the last time we went was April 22nd? Today's May 22nd. How ironic. It's been
I thought it was this month.
It's been a month to the day.
It is the 22nd.
Yeah.
I did not realize
that. Isn't that weird? So we did good. We planned on waiting a month between going grocery shopping again, and it's been a month, so. I did stop and take a few pictures. It's a gorgeous day. It's been raining for like 3 or 4 days, pretty much non-stop rain, so it's been pretty miserable. And finally, wow, why is the car jumping so much? It's like my hand's shaking. Yeah, it's a really pretty day. It's really nice to get out for a change. See the moo-moos, as we call them, in the countryside. It's very lovely. Are now safely back home, and I am so tired. I actually was like too excited to sleep last night, I guess because of the idea of going out. I don't know, because it's such a rare thing anymore. But yeah, we're not used to traveling so far, so I am so tired. And Vaughn said he's tired too, but he's out there enjoying his new garden hose that he got from Amazon a few days ago. He got himself a nice like 75 foot or 100 foot, and it's like the best quality or something like that. So he's out there enjoying that. But yeah, I'm very tired. One of the best things about today, though, is that my floor paint came in the mail today, so I can now move forward with painting and finishing my pink room. I'm so excited to have that done. That is going to be really great, but there's still a lot of work to do. I need to paint 2 walls and remove everything out of the room first before I do that, too. But yeah, it had been raining so bad the past few days that we hadn't really been able to paint, because you're not supposed to paint when humidity is like over 50%, I think, and humidity was like 99%. So now I'm finally able to finish that project. We're back from picking up our groceries at the Walmart pickup, and yeah, so like I said, it had been a month, and we got a lot less this time. I noticed, like I said, the last 2 trips were like $300 or $400 each time, and then now it was like closer to 100, and then they didn't have some items, so it was like $79. So that shows that we've kind of like stabilized a little in our shopping and stuff like that. We feel like we finally have enough. But yeah, as you can see, everything is still a mess behind me. But as I said, I did get my paint in the mail today, so I'm so excited about that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute little sweater top. It has a button down front. I'm wearing a size medium, and it is from Mess Babe. They are, I guess, the same company, Mess Woolen. I had received something from them before, and then I'm wearing these like mauve palazzo pants that I had bought from Ross a couple of years ago, and I think they still have some kind of like this on Amazon. But yeah, this is such a cute little top. It's got like ribs and, like I said, the buttons, and it's gathered at the sleeves and here at the waist, and it's very comfortable because it is 100% cotton. And it fits me perfectly. I got the size medium because I didn't want it to be too tight. And I'm wearing my pretty gold necklace that I was gifted. I'll link that below if I can remember. And yeah, the shirt was gifted as well. And then my earrings are from AliExpress. They're the ones that I changed into clips. And then come to find out they actually do have the clip version now anyway, so you don't have to like change them yourself like I did. But yeah, this is just kind of a comfortable, casual outfit. But as I said, I'm exhausted, so I've taken a few photos, and it's time for me to rest now. We planted 3 apple trees last year, and then Vaughn called me and told me that we have a little apple appearing. How amazing is that? Here's today's outfit of the day from my pink room that is still being painted and renovated. I'm wearing these mauve pants that I bought from Ross a few years ago. They are such a pretty color and they go with so many different things. This shirt I've had was thrifted forever ago. This turban, also from Goodwill. My necklace from Romway. Earrings thrifted, and I believe these really cool sunglasses are from the Dollar Tree, I think. I thought they went pretty well. But yeah, just kind of comfortable and casual because we're going to be going in our big box truck to do a pickup at Lowe's. And yeah, we don't have any air conditioning, so I know the wind's going to be blowing my hair like crazy, so I decided to put it up in a turban for today. Finally finished painting the room, the walls. So next up I need to do the floor. So you can see how absolutely dreadful the floor looks. And yeah, so they originally had carpet under them, as I've said before, and when we pulled this up, it was all stained, but of course we've added like the paint marks and all of that. But yeah, the walls are now ready to go, and next I just need to mop the floors and then add the repair to the places in the floor like that, where you can see the wood's kind of eaten through a little bit.